Good evening, Michelle.
Good evening.
Here's a question. What do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
Thank you for the question. I believe Botswana diamonds are the pillar stone of the economy of our country. They have shaped what Botswana is and have made Botswana a nation that is known worldwide because of these very diamonds. I stand today as a graduate geological engineer by the privilege awarded to me by these diamonds because of the free education that we have in this country, as well as the healthcare and as well as the tourism sector that is equally boosted by this very diamond sales. And I believe that beyond just the diamonds, we still stand as a people that are known as diamonds because of our character, our humility, our culture, and our hearts. And I believe that is what the diamond story is about.